Hello future engineers, there is another video in calculus. So my suggestion for effective preparation is you pause the video up to these enclosed problems. Then you have to solve this by your own. My next suggestion is you may mute the video. You just run the video, then mute it and be able to understand the animated processes in the solution. Then the last one is you have to pass forward the video till the end, and just like reading a book, you have to understand the solution. So those are the three suggestions for effective preparation. The first one is my suggestion, so that you will there's a big chance you will top the board exam. If you fail to top the board exam, then surely you will pass the board exam. For the second and third, uh, only high possibility of passing the board exam. So differentiate the following functions. These functions are taken from the book on page 157 of Love and Rainville. So u equals y cubed quantity 1 plus y squared to the negative 1 half. So this is derivative of product. So du dy is equal to y cubed first. Derivative of second is by power formula negative 1 half quantity 1 plus y squared to the negative 3 halves times 2y. Derivative of y squared is 2y, of course. Plus second, 1 plus y squared raised to negative 1 half. Derivative of y cubed is 3y squared. So next, we factor out. We cancel 2. Then we factor out y squared. 1 plus y squared to the negative 3 halves. Then we'll have y squared in the first term left, negative y squared, and in the second term, 3 times quantity 1 plus y squared to the 1. That case. So these quantities in these brackets here, when simplified, is 3 plus 2y squared. Then we bring this down. So du dy is equal to y squared times 3 plus 2y squared, or 2y squared plus 3, all over 1 plus y squared to the positive 3 halves. Then you have to check this answer using the high-tech calculator. That's the guide. And the chosen value of x, in this case y, is 0.5. So imagine that x is y in your calculator. The answer is 0.6261. And this one also, when evaluated, y is zero point 0.5. You substitute y is 0.5 here. You'll get 0.6261. We proceed to the second problem. 14. U is e to the negative 2y ln of y. So this is again product. So du dy is e to the negative 2y times 1 over y plus ln of y times e to the negative 2y times negative 2. So factor out e to the negative 2y, then you'll have times 1 over y, then minus 2 ln of y. So simplify algebraically, du dy is e to the negative 2y times quantity 1 minus 2y ln of y all over y. So final answer, du dy is e to the negative 2y over y times 1 minus 2y ln of y. 15, w equals quantity a to the 2/3 minus x to the 2/3 raised to 3 halves, where a is constant here. So this is by power formula 3 halves quantity a to the 2/3 minus x to the 2/3 to the 1 half times negative 2/3 x to the negative 1/3. Derivative of a to the 2/3 minus x to the 2/3 is negative 2/3 x to the negative 1/3. So cancel 3/2 and 2/3, so that's negative. Then bring down x to the negative 1/3 in the denominator. So the final answer is negative of quantity a to the 2/3 minus x to the 2/3 to the 1/2 over x to the 1/3. Then check this using the high-tech calculator and using this approach here. The answer should match. Then we proceed to number 16. W is cosecant x, cotangent square of x. So this is product. Derivative of w with respect to x is first cosecant x. Derivative of cotangent square x by power formula is 2 cotangent to the 1 of x times negative cosecant square of x. So cosecant x, 2 cotangent of x, negative cosecant square of x, plus cotangent square of x. Derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant x, cotangent x. So factor out negative cosecant x, cotangent x. Then we'll have 2 cosecant square x, then plus cotangent square x. So that's the answer after we factor out negative cosecant x, cotangent x. So that is by algebra. 17, theta is arcsine of 1 minus 2r. So imagine arcsine of u. So the derivative is du with respect, the derivative of 1 minus 2r is negative 2 over square root of 1 minus quantity 1 minus 2r square. So negative of 2 over square root of 1 minus u square, that is u. So 1 minus 1, quantity 1 minus 2r square. If you simplify the radicand of the denominator, 1 will vanish. The middle term is positive 4r. The last term is negative 4r square. So this is d theta dr is negative of 2 over square root of 4r minus 4r square. Factor out 4, square root of 4 is 2, so cancel 2. So d theta dr is negative 1 over square root of r minus r square. Then check this using the calculator technique and using this approach here. And finally, theta is arcsine of e to the negative 2r, so it's like arcsine of u. So derivative of u in the numerator, then square root of 1 minus u square. So that would be d theta dr is e to the negative 2r times negative 2 over square root of 1 minus quantity e to the negative 2r square. So simplifying, that would be negative 2e to the negative 2r over square root of 1 minus e to the negative 4r. We then write e to the negative 4r as 1 over e to the positive 4r. So d theta dr is negative 2e to the negative 2r over 1 minus 1 over e to the 4r. Simplify the denominator. This is square root of, so negative 2e to the negative 2r over square root of e to the 4r minus 1 over e to the 2r, because square root of e to the 4r is e to the 2r. This e to the 2r will be brought to the numerator and combined with e to the negative 2r. That would be e to the 0, which is 1. So the final answer is d theta dr is negative 2 over square root of e to the 4r minus 1. Then check that answer using this calculator technique and using this approach here. So that's it for this video.